Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Raydium, the Uniswap-like decentralized exchange built on the Solana blockchain. The official website for Raydium is raydium.io. They tout themselves as an avenue for the evolution of DeFi with next-level liquidity, frictionless yield, and light-speed swaps. In my opinion, the experience on Raydium is very similar to other AMM-style decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap and PancakeSwap, with the notable advantage is that Raydium provides on-chain liquidity to a central limit order book, meaning that pools have access to all order flow and liquidity on Serum. By leveraging the speed of Solana, you would expect all transactions on Raydium to be extremely fast, with low transaction fees and enhanced scalability. Here are some partners to the Raydium exchange. In my last video, you would have seen me use Bonfida. So now that the introduction is out of the way, let's go and launch the app for the first time. Now once you click launch app, this is what the interface should look like. It's very similar to Uniswap. They even have very similar settings. Here you can see the contract address as well as set your slippage tolerance for your trades. Now if you look in the top right hand corner, you'll see I'm not connected to any wallet. Once I click connect, I will have all the options that I can connect to this platform, and in this case I'm going to choose select, as this was the main wallet that I used in my last tutorial video. And once I enter my password and click unlock, I must now connect to the platform. I can choose to automatically approve all transactions from Raydium. Of course, that is at your own risk, but I'm going to click understand and connect. So now I've been successfully connected to the platform. And here is my wallet balance for the Ray token. So I'm going to head over to my Solana wallet so you can have a better look at my balances. Here is my wallet and all the SPL tokens that I would have added so far. This is my Solana balance. And if you want to add tokens, you go here, and this is the full list of tokens that are available using this particular Solana wallet. Now for this tutorial, I want to convert some Solana into USDC on the Raydium platform. So let's head back over. In the first box, I go and click on Ray and open a drop down menu. In this case, I'll select Sol. In the second box, I'll select USDC. I will enter the amount I want to swap, in this case 5.5 Sol. I'll check the slippage. Right now it's at 1%, which is quite good. And I go and click swap. Now I must go and confirm this transaction. I'm going to use the same tab that I used to connect to the platform and click approve. And just like that, my swap has been completed. Now doesn't this seem a lot faster and a lot better than using Uniswap? I would really love your opinion in the comment section below. I'm going to head over to my wallet now just to ensure my funds are there. As you can see, my USDC is safe and sound in my Solana wallet. The next thing I can show you all is how you can go on this platform to provide liquidity. But before I do that, let's go and check what pools are available on this website. Now here are the pools sorted by liquidity, volume, as well as fees. There are a number of options to choose from. Of course, you choose which pool best suits you, and of course it has to be one that contains the tokens that you are holding. In this case, for this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Ray USDC pool simply because I have both Ray and USDC. So back on the liquidity tab, I go and click max for Ray, and of course it must correspond with the exact amount of value in USDC. So the max amount would be $195. I click supply, and again I must confirm this transaction. And just like that, my swap is on the way and is completed. As you can see, I'm now providing liquidity to this platform. Now here you see a short summary of the transaction, the tokens I entered, as well as my pool share as a percentage. Very minuscule at this point, but it's because this is just a tutorial. I can always add or remove the liquidity later on. In terms of farms, this is where I would go to harvest my LP tokens as reward for providing liquidity. I'm going to choose the Ray USD. I'm going to stake my LP. I'm going to stake the max amount, which was 23, and click confirm. Again, this transaction must be confirmed and approved. So once that is done, I am now successfully farming my liquidity pool tokens. As you can see on the left hand side, every couple of seconds this number should increase, And when it reaches a reasonable amount, I can always harvest and get back extra liquidity pool tokens. Now the last thing I want to show you is how you can stake your Ray tokens to earn some additional rewards, such as trading fees, as well as a high APR of 23%. Now as you can tell, I do not have any Ray tokens left, so I must go and get some from FTX Exchange. Now FTX Exchange is the main exchange I would recommend you go to get any Solana based token. In this case, I want to withdraw some of my Raydium tokens from this exchange to my Solana wallet. In this case, I'm going to withdraw all of them, but I must head over to my Solana wallet and get my Raydium address. So receive. Once I copy this, make sure it is the SPL Ray and not the ERC20 version. Once I head back over to FTX, I paste that address and I should authenticate this transaction. In this case, I'm using a YubiKey. So once I touch my YubiKey, I can now withdraw this amount. And of course, there are 0 transaction fees. And just like that, it should be in my Solana wallet in a matter of seconds. So give it some time and it should appear here. And if the transaction seems like if it's taking long, you can just refresh the wallet. But as you can see, my Raydium is safe and sound in my wallet. So I'm going to head back over to the staking tab and I'm going to click stake my Ray. In this case, I'm going to stake max and click confirm. And of course, I must confirm this transaction. And just like that, I'm now staking my Ray token. And my APR has increased. So give this some time. I'll also receive my rewards here, which I can also harvest. So that brings me to the end of my tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Now this is not financial advice, but if you want to buy some Sol or Ray on the FTX exchange, you can feel free to sign up using my link in the description below. And on a final note, this channel is not monetized by YouTube, and if you care to give a generous donation to help assist in making these videos, you can simply buy me a coffee or donate some Solana to this wallet address. Either way will help support the channel and allow me to make more content like this. Now this has been Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video.